Hello and welcome back to Asway Online Classes YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please do consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of all our uploads. So let's continue. Tarot cards are a deck of 78 cards used for divination, introspection and spiritual guidance. Each card in the deck holds symbolic images, numbers, and representations that convey different meanings and messages. Tarot readings involve drawing and interpreting these cards to gain insights into various aspects of life, including love, relationships, career, and personal growth. The deck consists of two main parts, the Major Arcana and the Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana has 22 cards that depict significant life stages, spiritual lessons, and universal energies. These cards are often associated with profound life events and transformative experiences. The Minor Arcana has 56 cards divided into four suits: cups, swords, wands, and pentacles, which are also known as coins or discs. Each suit corresponds to a different element, that is water, air, fire, and earth, and represents various aspects of daily life, emotions, intellect, creativity, and material matters. Tarot cards can provide guidance, clarity, and introspection by offering insights into current situations, potential outcomes, and hidden influences. They are not inherently magical or fortune telling tools, but rather a means for individuals to reflect on their lives, make informed choices, and gain a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Tarot readings can be a source of inspiration, self reflection, and personal growth, allowing individuals to explore their thoughts, emotions, and aspirations from a new perspective. The Major Arcana is a set of 22 cards within a tarot deck that holds significant symbolic and spiritual meanings. These cards represent powerful archetypes, major life events, and transformative experiences. Each card in the Major Arcana carries its own unique symbolism and message, contributing to a rich and profound tapestry of wisdom and insight. Now let's look at the brief description of the cards in the Major Arcana. The Fool card. The Fool card symbolizes new beginnings, innocence, and a start of a journey. The Magician card. The Magician card represents personal power, manifestation, and harnessing one's skills and talents. The High Priestess card signifies intuition, inner wisdom, and the mysteries of the subconscious mind. The Empress represents fertility, abundance, nurturing, and the beauty of nature. Emperor represents authority, structure, leadership, and the establishment of order. The Hierophant signifies tradition, spirituality, education, and seeking guidance from established systems. The Lovers symbolizes love, partnerships, choices, and the integration of opposites. The Chariot represents willpower, determination, success, and overcoming obstacles. Strength signifies inner strength, courage, compassion, and taming one's primal instincts. The Hermit symbolizes introspection, solitude, spiritual guidance, and seeking inner wisdom. Wheel of Fortune represents destiny, cycles of life, luck, and unexpected changes. Justice signifies fairness, balance, truth, and karmic consequences. The Hanged Man symbolizes surrender, letting go, suspension, and gaining a new perspective. Death represents transformation, endings, rebirth, and the inevitability of change. Temperance signifies balance, moderation, harmony, and finding a middle path. The Devil symbolizes temptation, materialism, bondage, and exploring one's shadow self. The Tower represents sudden upheaval, destruction of old structures, and breakthroughs. The Star signifies hope, inspiration, healing, and connection to divine guidance. The Moon symbolizes intuition, the unconscious mind, illusions, and navigating the unknown. The Sun represents joy, vitality, success, and the awakening of consciousness. Judgment signifies self-evolution, rebirth, spiritual awakening, and taking responsibility. The world symbolizes completion, integration, wholeness, and fulfillment. Each card in the Major Arcana offers deep insights, guidance, and spiritual lessons that can help individuals navigate life's challenges, understand their own journey, and connect with higher truths and wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because in the next video we will go into deeper meanings of each card. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video.